Hi folks, welcome to Berrybrook and thank you for liking and subscribing so far. Love reading through your comments. Today's video is a how-to video. It's a how to do the more traditional style hood, the one with all the fasteners across the top windscreen. Hope you find it useful, and if there's any further things you'd like to see, please let me know. Cheers. This video, when I do talk about ribs, I mean these parts here. This particular car's got hood tensioners. There's one on each side. These make things so much easier. So if you haven't got them, get them. We can fit them. Then you have to do all the poppers across the top as well. So when you do release the hood tensioners, you will feel the ribs loosen up. And this, obviously, it makes it a little bit easier to get the poppers undone as well. So here we go. We're just going to do the other side. These are lift dot fasteners. So you lift from the dot, then you peel the roof back. The other set of fasteners are these twist fasteners. There's normally 3 or 4 on each side, so they just pull out there. So do those on both sides. And once those are done, there is lift dot fasteners on the back of the car as well. And when you take the roof up, you can agree it looks very, very different. Well, folks, I hope this helps. I know it's only a quick video. If you do need any more information, please email, phone, or pop in and see me.